to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today I am going to discuss the topic derivation of third equation of motion. That is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Graphical proof of third equation of motion. First we plot a graph between distance and time. Time is taken along x-axis and velocity is taken along y-axis. When the body is not at rest initially and it is moving with uniform velocity, then we obtain a graph, straight line AB. From B point we draw the perpendicular line on the x-axis BE, and on the y-axis BD. Now we draw the perpendicular line from A to the BE, that is AC. We have to establish the relation between displacement and velocity, or distance and velocity. So we know that area under the slope of a straight line AB gives displacement or distance covered by the body. The area under this straight line AB that gives the value of displacement or distance covered by the body. So distance covered by the body, that is S is equal to area of trapezium OABE. And area of the trapezium is half into base, that is half into sum of parallel side, the parallel side OA and BE, and height AC. So half into sum of parallel sides OA plus BE into height AC. In this figure, the body starts from A. So OA represents initial velocity. And it stops at the point B. So BE, which represents final velocity, V. So here U plus V by 2 into AC. This is equation 1. So first we have to find the value of AC. Since acceleration is equal to, all of you know acceleration, that is equal to slope of the straight line AB. So acceleration of the body A is equal to BC by AC. In this figure, we can write for BC BE minus CE. BE minus CE by AC. Again, OACE is in a rectangle, so this side is equal to this side. So in place of CE we can write OA. So BE minus OA divided by AC. Now A is equal to BE final velocity minus OA initial velocity divided by AC. So AC is equal to V minus U by A. Now putting this value in equation 1, or equation 1 becomes, so S is equal to here U plus V by 2, and the value of AC is V minus U by A. So A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here B square minus U square divided by 2A. So here 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. And finally, the third equation of motion is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. This is the velocity displacement relation, and it is known as third equation of motion. Thank you.